Hi, my name's Nick with M&M Garage Doors. Did you know your garage door is the biggest moving component of your home and it's the least maintained? You're actually supposed to maintain your garage door every 3 to 4 months, so why don't you follow me over here and I'll show you how to do that. So all garage doors have hinges, some with the rollers and some without. In this case, this guy has the roller. So where you're going to lubricate is actually going to be right here in between the hinges where all the steel are touching. Just a nice lubrication real quick. And then also, don't be scared to hit the roller as well, just because it'll make that roller roll nice and smooth. This hinge is actually the one without the roller. We call them center hinges, or the actual number is called the number 1 hinge. Where you're gonna lubricate this hinge is actually in between where the touching steel points are at, just like the last one where the roller was placed. Okay, so right here is called an M bearing plate, and then you have your drum. There's actually a bearing inside this plate, so you'll take your straw from your lubrication, put it in between the bearing and the drum, and a quick little spray, and that's all you'll need. So that leads us to the last part to lubricate on your garage door, and that is the torsion spring. So I always put a plate in my hand and a can of lubrication. You're gonna want the garage door down. You're not gonna wanna spray it right here. You're actually gonna wanna get on top of the spring. I put the plate right here just in case you have any type of drywall, and you'll do a nice coat right on the top of the spring, and that's how you lubricate the torsion spring.